What up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Raptor Man here. Just picked up the GoPro Hero 6 Black. Told you guys I was going to get another one. Not going to go into all the details on this camera, to be quite honest with you. I don't know them all quite yet. But what it says in the box, it'll do 12 megapixel still photos, video resolution 4K 60 frames, 33 feet waterproof. It does voice activation. You can control the camera via voice or with your phone when you're connected to the GoPro app itself. So check that out. Hopefully it lasts a lot longer than the other one. I did take out a 1-year extended warranty on it. Probably should have went for more, but they wanted 80 instead of 50. I don't know, we'll see. But there she is. That's the GoPro Hero 6 Black. I'm mostly going to be shooting in 1440 by 60 frames per second. I have a TV that'll do 4K. I'm not sure if it'll do 4K 60. It's a Sony Bravia smart TV. But 4K 30 is usually pretty good, but I tend to run my videos in 1440 by 60 frames per second. So, got my trip next weekend, you guys, so hopefully I can bring you guys some high quality racing videos. And as always, I'm your boy, Raptor Man. Shout out to my own screensaver. See you guys.